Hi there, we are back again with the third Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper of, yes, it's Wednesday, still Wednesday, November the 18th, 2020. The third Sudoku is a binary puzzle, and this will be number 1903. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow, it's a 9 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 by 9. Wow. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones or 5 O's. And the other should be the 4 O's, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 4 ones. Yes. Let's get started. Alright. Double 1 here and O, there no. Double O here and 1, there 1. Between two O's comes in 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this could be an O or 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. 4 O's. Number 2, number 3, number 4. Double O here, 1, there, 1. We have here 3 empty boxes. I cannot place 3 ones, so there must be an O here between the 5th O, so this should be a 1. This cannot be an O. Yes, so we have double 1 here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Between two 1's comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. There must be this, the 5th one here. Otherwise we have 3 O's, not allowed in a row. So it's a O or a 1 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah. Between two 1's comes an O. 2, 3, 4. So this must be an O or a 1. 3, 4, yeah. 3, 4. Double O here, 1, there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, so 2, 3, 4. Difficult. Do I need to compare? That's the question. Cannot compare this. Double 1. No 1. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 101. Do we have a 101 here? Cannot compare. This box 1, 2, 3, 4. This could be 0 or 1. This one 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This could be an 0 and a 1. But also between an 0 and an 1, there's always an 0 and a 1. Yes. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Publisher, you are killing me with the 9 by 9. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one could be also an O or a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Can it compare 1, 0, 1? Do we have a 1, 0, 1? No. Double 1 here. I need to compare the rows. One, two, three, four. I need an O here. Could be here, could be here. 1, 2, 3. 1 on an O. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Could be an O or 1, O, 1. Yeah. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I need to guess. Let me mark the good ones. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 10. 100. Do we have a 100 here? No. Alright. Suppose I choose for a 1 here. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we have 5 ones. So this should be an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So this should be an O. 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. Okay. Double 1 here, an O there, an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. So this should be an O or a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so this must be an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. O or a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Could be double O or O and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. O or 1. Can I compare? I need to watch that I don't have the same like here. Let me put there an 101. It's not the same. One, 2, 3, 4. So this should be decision number 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do we have a 101 here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. So O and a 1. Or double 1. No. O and a 1 here. Let me put here an O. And here 1. Yeah. Okay. Decision number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this could be an 1 or an O. 101. Do we have a 101 here? No. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me put a 1 here and here an O. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. O and then 1. Let me put here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put an O here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put an O there. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This should be an O. Alright, let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so the O's are correct, but do we have identical rows or columns? That's the question. We have here double 1. Let me see. Here also double 1. So those two, O and 1 OO, is correct. double O we have here. The rest we don't have double O. So this is correct, this column. O10, O10. This is also O10, O1, 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 1, O. O1, O1 is correct. So now we have O11, O11, O, 1, 1, 1, O. So this is not identical, alright? So these two columns, 1, O, 1, O, 1. So wait. 1, O, 1. I do not have one, so this is only 1, 1, O, 1. Now these two, 1, O, O, 1, O, O, 1, 1, 1, O. So columns are not identical, alright? So now the rows, do we have 1, O, 1, 1, the only one, yes. O10, O10, do we have an O10 here? O10, O11, O10, so sorry. Do we have 1, 1? 1, 1. No, this is the only 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Then 001, do we have a 001 here? Here. 001. 001, double O. 00. 110. So these two are not the same. Then the question 100. Here I see 100. 11, 00, 10. Different. So these two correct. 010. Do we have a 010 here? 010. And then 01. So those are different. And now one left, 011, the only one. So it's finished in 18 minutes. This should be the solution, or one of the solution, because 9 by 9, 9 by 9, maybe there are more than one solution. Let me check. 10, 100, yes. I've checked this and this. There is another solution for this one. So it could be not the same, but I've checked this with the solution of this puzzle page. There is another solution. Alright, thank you for watching. See you later with the last Sudoku. Bye bye for now.